Okay, we are out here today to take the stock baffles out of the stock mufflers on a 2012 Road Glide Ultra, baby. This is what you'll find in there. This is the left side out. We're going to start it up, let you hear one side out, and then hear the other side. We just took a 2 1/4 inch hole saw and cleaned it out. Looks really awesome. Sounds even better. So, we're going to let you hear once.
How's it sound?
Awesome! So here you go. You listen to one side.
It's an experiment.
Here we go. Alright, I'll crank it. You go back. Ready? Now for round 2. There's one down. And Lone Rider doesn't want to come out.
That one's a little different.
Okay, we were drilling out the other side, the driver's side, main side, and we ran into a little difference. There was a little bell mouth right here, as you can see. This was up on here, and it would not allow this to come out in our standard 2 1/4 inch hole, so be aware. We took a torch, and we used a torch, and we actually blued a little bit, so we got a little hot. You need to be careful. Don't let it get that hot. But we actually did get this out by blowing this out, which was inside, with our torch, and then got it out. Sounds great. Ah! Here we go. We'll let you hear it.
Go ahead.
I'll fire it up, and we'll let you hear the beat.
It's in gear, dude.
Oh. Oops. Ready? Improved stock Harley mufflers.
Loud pipes save lives, right?
Yeah, loud pipes save lives, my friend. That does sound good.
Wrap it up.
And so, if you want some more future details on what we do next, stay tuned. Because we're not done with this bike, we're just getting started.